Morning team. Today is Monday, September 9th, and I just got back from Pasadena last night. Today is going to be a reset day. We're getting our lives back together. So far, I've written a grocery list because I have to go grocery shopping sometime today or tomorrow. Okay, hello. My hair is up now, so you know that means we're getting serious. This morning, I was able to respond to a couple of emails, respond back to many of your comments. I try to respond to like every single person because it really means so much to me that you take the time out of your day to even think about commenting on my videos and stuff. So I just wanted to quickly appreciate and say thank you. I do try to read everything, so yeah, I did that for like a good hour or two, and now it's time to get to like the nitty-gritty stuff. And I kind of wanted to open up to you all about finances, and this is something that I'll probably do in another video too. But right now I'm dealing with like health insurance and credit card debt. I kind of have to think about like my student loans and stuff too, because I am a senior now, and by next spring I have to have a plan. But we're taking it one step at a time. What's been really challenging for me as far as like health insurance, it's like I don't have enough knowledge on what works and what doesn't work and what's the best fit for me right now. So I feel like I kind of just opted for what my school had offered because I thought that was like the safest option. But like I totally went to the gynecologist, had my first pap smear and stuff, and like having to deal with that, and then getting bills from the dentist and all this stuff. It's a lot. And today I'm taking the day to call up people and ask what's going on, just kind of get all my finances settled, so that way I have a plan for what I'm gonna do. I've been putting this off for so long because it kind of gets me anxious, and it makes me feel uneasy because I always think about like worst case scenario. If like, what if I cannot pay this bill this month? You know, it's something that clouds my mind a lot. And I tend to push it away, and it's not good to do that. Like, it's good to deal with stuff as it comes, because otherwise if you let these bills and all these things pile up and you don't ask questions and you don't keep yourself accountable, then it's just gonna keep adding up, and then I don't know, somehow interest is gonna get you. So
let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. But now let's have a surprise. Let's have a dream which isn't under control.
Okay, so we're back. I'm probably get ready to go to school early because I have to submit some paperwork. Last night I took the time to like unpack and put all my clothes in the dirty laundry and stuff, so that's really good. That's usually one of the first things I do when I get home because it's hard for me to fall asleep with things that are still packed in my suitcase. And yeah, I'm making my bed now. Hey, so I'm at school now and I'm gonna go get some stuff done at the library, go fight for some health insurance. I'm joking, I just have to submit some paperwork and then just chill for a couple of hours before class starts. I love getting to school earlier. Usually I'm getting here like, usually I get to school like on the dot, but we made it early today. Hi everyone, I just got back home and I went to go eat some dinner with a couple of friends, and yeah, I just got home, changed into some sweats, usually my favorite part of the day to be honest, and now I'm gonna probably just chill for a little bit before I start studying. And for today, when I start studying, I'm gonna be filming another study with me video. Usually on days like this, I have to like meal prep and all that stuff, so I might stay up a little later tonight to get all that stuff done because there's just a lot to prepare for the rest of the week. A part of my reset routine too is probably just checking back in with everyone because I feel like I was really unplugged, kind of. I was still on social media, but I wasn't really responding to very many messages or calling people back and stuff, so I took some time to do that today too, and that was really nice. I got to catch up with my dad, and I called my mom the other day and caught up with a friend today too, and just kind of come back and center yourself. And when you do center yourself, just think about like a couple of highlights that happened, a couple of, you know, victories and celebrations that you did do, and I feel like that really helps me keep going. So for me today, I'm really happy I finally got a hold of someone for my health insurance because it's just been nonsense, and I just want to get that settled so that way I can take care of my health first. Don't worry, I'm fine. Just have to like go get a regular checkup and get my teeth checked and all that. So another thing that I'm proud of for today is I was able to submit some paperwork for school and do some small errands, and then I was also able to edit a good amount too, so I'm almost done editing this video. Good evening. It's 8:20 right now, and I'm cooking my meals for the next couple of days. I was thinking of doing chicken pasta and like a chicken noodle soup because I've been really needing to use all of these vegetables here. So that's what I'm doing. Also, don't mind my nose. I have this like huge pimple that's just not gonna go away on its own. So I burnt my tongue. Using the rest of this vegetable broth from Trader Joe's. Very exciting. Add some of this chicken powder. I just grew up eating this all the time, so I do like a pinch. you may be wondering, or maybe you don't care, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. These soup things are from all of my previous Postmates orders of coming to my house, and literally Postmates, DoorDash, all of those things have taken all of my money. But I reuse these for like soup and stuff, so it's really nice. I'm trying to be better at not killing the world or killing the planet, so I like reusing these until they go really bad. But all my soups are all packed up. Look how cute they look. Yes. And then I have like macaroni to go with it during the school day, but it has vegetables and chicken inside. Over here I have like the rest of the pasta that I made, so lots of macaroni. Camera's gonna die, so I'm just gonna keep on talking real quick. Right now, I just finished doing a studying session video. I'm gonna finish up editing this video, upload it, get ready for bed, and then knock out because I'm super tired. Okay everyone, I just got done getting ready for bed and I tried really hard to pop this pimple, but anyway, it's not coming out today. I'm gonna call it a night and let you all go, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for reaching it to the end of the video. I hope you got something done today. On days like this, when I have to reset and just have everything prepped for the week, I'm usually exhausted. It's like 1 in the morning right now and we have to be up in a couple of hours, but honestly it's okay because I feel really on top of it right now. So yeah, it feels good to kind of get back into the groove of things after being away for a little bit. So yeah, anyways, have a good night. I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye.